Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to create Shopify email receipts. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So for this one, you're gonna head over to your orders section, and there you will be able to see that once we head over to any of these orders, you can see we have this invoicing option. So we have actions like, for example, if you want to create a return label, duplicate, or view the status, so you can send the invoice. You can click on send invoice, and then it is going to be automatically be generated. You can also modify the template, the email, the receipt that's going to go. You can need to type in here the email and it will be generated. So that's how you can easily create Shopify email receipt, and you can also modify it. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.